Hello everyone, my name is Ankush Sir. I am CEO and founder of Learnomate Technologies. This is a clip from my paid class and I hope you'll find this very useful. Hello friends, welcome back to Learnomate Technologies YouTube channel and my name is Ankush Sir. So today we are going to learn about how you can take a logical backup of your PostgreSQL database and then how you can restore that. So in my last lecture, I have already explained you the theoretical part. If you have not gone through that, please go back, check the video, and this is the second video you can refer. So if you want to take the logical backup, like let's say you want to take the backup of some table, then for that you can use a utility called pgdump. So pgdump is the utility which you can use if you want to take logical backup. This logical backup you can take into the multiple format, like you can take it in plain text format, you can take it in custom format, and you can take it in directory format also. So the plain text format, if you want to restore the plain text format backup, if you want to restore, you need to use psql and provide the SQL script. For this, you need to use a utility called pg underscore restore. Okay, so we'll see this with the practical scenario. In order to make you understand about this, what I did, first of all, I created one student table. So I'm going to take the backup of that student table and then I will drop that table and I'll show you how you can restore that. So let us go to my screen and let's see it practically. So first of all, I'm going to connect to the psql. So let me connect here. Let me show you the count or the records from my student table. So this is a student table in which I have around 103 records are there. So we have 103 records, we have a student, and this is basically their age and post. Okay, fine. So what I will do, first of all, I'm going to show you how you can take the backup of the student table. Let's assume that this table is very important for me and I want to take the backup. So let me do exit, clear the screen. So I'm going to use a script called pg underscore dump. So pg underscore dump is the utility through which you are going to take a backup. The backup is going to be taken on the node 1. This is the name of my machine. The backup will be taken care by the Postgres as a user. This is my database name -t student, and I'm going to take plain text format. Okay, and this is a location where my backup will be stored. So what I'll do, I'll just run this. Okay, done. So what I did, I used the script, I used the utility called pgdump. Pgdump is the utility which is going to take a backup of okay, fine. Okay, there is a problem, like I don't have a database with the name mydb. I have that table available under a database called Postgres. So let me take the backup now. One more time. Okay, node 1 minute. I don't need to mention the host name also. Otherwise, I need to add that entry into my host file. I'll do one thing. I'll remove this node 1. Right now, I'm using a local host only, so it's not required. So if I do ls-lrt, you can see the backup has been created. This is a SQL file format backup. If you just open this, what you can see the overall details, like how this table has been created under the schema called public, and then it has inserted this record. So this is a plain SQL file. And if you want to edit this file, you can edit it, no problem in that. Now assume a situation that I got connected to the database and my table has been dropped. Someone dropped my table, student table drop. I don't have a table now. Now what to do? Can I access this table? If I do select star from student, I'm not able to access my table. No table exists. Now, if you want to do the restoration, again, for that, you need to use a SQL script, psql. I don't need to mention this host because I'm using localhost only. So psql is the utility which is going to do the restoration under a database called Postgres. Postgres is the username. Remember, this is a username and this is a database name, and my backup is available in this location. Now what I will do, I am going to run this, but before you do the restoration, you need to create a database. So I'll say create database student. Now what is my database name? My database is already exists, so no need to do that. exit, and let me run that. Done. Now if I go psql, I got connected by default to the Postgres database, and if I try to do select star from student, I can see my table has been backed. So what I did, I'll explain it you one more time. It's quite simple. So now I have shown you how you can take the backup of your table. So what I did, I have a database with the name Postgres. Under this Postgres, I have a table called student table. Under the student table, I have a data available. This table is very important for me, so I'm going to take the backup. If I want to take the backup, for that I use a utility called pg_dump, in which you can specify the format, in which format you want to take. I want to take the backup into the SQL text format. So I got the SQL script. This SQL script I have used for my restoration purpose. Okay. But in order to do the restoration, what you need to use? You need to use psql utility. So you can take the backup on the same server. You can take the backup on different server. This is what we have done. We can also take the backup in custom format and directive format that I'm going to show you in the next lecture practically. But again, if you like this video, please share it with your friends or your family who is interested to learn about the PostgreSQL. One more thing I want to tell you, that you can subscribe and share this channel. And if you are looking for PostgreSQL DBA training, because we are starting a new batch in next week, reach out to the Learnomate team. The numbers are available here. Again, please follow our Instagram, and you can follow me on the LinkedIn also. All the details are available in the description of this video. Please mention interested if you are looking for next video. Thank you. I hope you guys have learned something valuable from this video. Please do like, subscribe and share this channel. You can also contact us for the paid training. You can also comment interested if you want the more video like this.